In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 best ways to invest $100 in 2019 and make sure you win. Stay tuned.
If you don't do it for yourself, nobody's gonna do it for you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again on the channel. I appreciate you. Yes, you I'm talking about. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you do by smashing the button down below. Now today we're talking about how to invest $100. If $100 is all you have, that's absolutely fine. That's just a temporary condition. Now I want you to know this, having $100 in your bank account, it's definitely not the end of the world. Remember, this is just a temporary condition. If that is something that you're going through right now, and maybe you're broke, you only got $100 in your bank account, I'm gonna give you my 3 best ways as to how to invest your money in 2019 and also make sure you win. The first thing I would say is buying and selling household items. So you can basically go to, garage sales and you can find, household items that really sell for bargain, and you can get them for a bargain and you can resell them at a profit. Buying and selling household items. Now make sure you do your research beforehand. Make sure if they have a price tag, obviously, make sure you scan them to see what goes on eBay. How they go on eBay, what's the price that they've been mostly offered at, and obviously you know the deal. But that's one of the ways that I would invest $100 if I only had $100 to invest. Now the number 2 is definitely contradicting for a lot of people, and maybe for you as well. But what I would have done is I would actually go out and buy a contact database of business owners or businesses, and I would start selling them stuff. Like, you could sell them web design services, you can sell them lead generation, you can sell them, any sort of funnel creation, marketing services, right? I'll basically buy a database. Somebody's saying, well, I can't even sell. Well, don't you worry about that. You can go and you can find YouTube videos on how to sell. You can even go ahead and find Jordan Belfort's training program somewhere on the internet, maybe even for free. Don't tell him I said that. And then you can start selling businesses, services that you're then going to outsource. Okay, you're not going to be the service provider, so don't worry. And yes, you do need the ability to sell, but don't worry, selling is practice. Come up with a decent script and start calling businesses. That's basically what I would have done if I had $100. Number 3 would be to buy books. Okay, you don't have to spend your $100 on books, but I would definitely recommend you go through some books. And the type of books that I'm talking about is personal development books, because more often than not, is your mindset that will prevent you from getting further ahead in business and in life as well than anything else. I'll list some books down below for you to read that I absolutely recommend. I will not have any affiliate links or anything like that, so you can just go ahead and buy them for yourself. But one thing I would definitely say though is taking action is what's going to get you a return on your money. And I want you to keep one thing in mind. The best way to see a return on your investment, wherever your investment might be, is for you to go ahead and go out and take massive amounts of action. There's nothing else in this world that's going to get you a bigger return on your investment than you actually taking action. Now, once again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel by clicking the button down below, and I'll see you on the next one.